Good morning, children. Today we are going to visit our neighborhood places. Before we know what is meant by neighborhood involves all the people living nearby us. A special kind of relationship is in between us and neighbors. Our first neighborhood places school. My school has beautiful building. Our school has big playground. We go to school and we study and learn many new things, and we chat with your friends, and we share many things with your friends and play with our friends. Next neighborhood places railway station. The railway station is a place where passengers can get and off trains traveling by trains in very cheap and comfortable. So our neighborhood places railway station also. Next neighborhood place market. Market is a place where we buy vegetables, fruits and groceries. Okay, one place we can get all the fruits, vegetables, we can buy all the things. Then even flowers also, flower shops also there, florist shop also we can get flowers. So vegetables, fruits, many variety of fruits, all the fruit shops are there, vegetable shops are there. Everything in one place we can get the market. All the fruits and vegetables we can buy very comfortable rate in the market. Next neighborhood place coffee shop and cake shop. Coffee shop is a kind of restaurant that sells coffee, tea, cakes. It is a place of business, and we relax in the coffee shop also. We can get the variety of cakes, biscuits, everything in the coffee shop. Next neighborhood place is police station. Police station is a building which serves to accommodate police officers and other member of staff, and any emergency you can call 100. Next, traffic signal. Traffic signal, a visual signal to control the flow of traffic as at intersections. So it is located near bus stop. Fire station, a building where fire engine are kept and where firefighters work and stay in the house. That is fire station. Fire station, if any emergency, any fire accident, we can call the fire service. Next neighborhood places post office. Post office, we buy stamps, postcards and envelope here. Next neighborhood place supermarket. A supermarket is a self-service shop offering a wide variety of food, household products, books, toys, slippers, organized into sections. So that is supermarket. We can take things in our own. So we buy everything in one place in supermarket. Next neighborhood places nursery. Nurseries may supply plants for gardens, agriculture, foresting and conservation biology. We can get the samples and small plants, everything in nursery. Next neighborhood place field, an area of open land, especially one planted with crops or pasture. A field is also an area land on which a crop is grown. Okay, see plantain tree and paddy fields, everything in a field. Next neighborhood place bike showroom. A showroom is a large space used to display products. If we need new bike, we have to book before and select the bike. Next we are going to see neighbor home. A person who lives near you, that is neighbor. And friends home also. Home is where love resides, memories are created, friends and family belong, and laughter near ends. We can share everything with our friends. Next neighborhood place, grocery shop. Groceries are foods you buy at a grocers at a supermarket, such as flour, sugar, soap, cereals and pulses. That is grocery shop. Next we are going to see jungle. Do not call the forest and shelters your jungle. A brave heart and a courteous tongue. So jungle also neighborhood place. Next we are going to see dam. A dam is a large wall and barrier that blocks or stops the flow of water. Dams generally serve the primary purpose of retaining water. We are saving the water in a dam only. It is very pleasant place. Nature. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Nature always wears the color of the spirit. Next neighborhood place, petrol bunk. A place where fuel is sold for road vehicles. That is petrol bunk. Okay, vehicles we can fill the petrol. Next neighborhood places, textile shop. There are many ways come into contact with textiles in our every lives. We can get new dress for this shop. We can buy many dresses, variety of dresses in this shop. Next neighborhood places is court. Courts are important because they help protect our constitutional rights to equal protection and due process under the law. Court also one of the neighborhood place. Next neighborhood place is park. A park is an open place in a city or town for nature. There are often trees, benches, statues and ponds in a peak in the park. Even next neighborhood place is restaurant. A place where you can buy and eat a meal. Some restaurants serve all the major meals such as breakfast, lunch and dinner. Even evening snacks also they are giving. So a restaurant is a very important place in our neighborhood.